So hello friends, in today's video I will tell you how to get 90 out of 90 in your describe image section in PTE speaking. So let's start our today's video. See it, the heading which is given above the image. You have to speak it definitely because this also gives you point in your content section which is of 5 marks. So you will speak this definitely whenever there is heading given above the image. You must speak this heading. Now the recording is starting. Let's see how I am speaking. This is a beautiful picture in front of me. Let me have a closer look of this image. This image provides information about the recruitment processes. This cycle provides information about recruitment processes outsourcing. I can see number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4 and number 5. I can also see develop a candidate profile and submit to employer. I can see phone screen implement potential candidates. I can see source passive and active candidates. I can see requisition request is sent. I can also see candidate is here. Overall, the image is very informative. Thank you so much. Friends, our recording is saved and let's check the answers. Let's see how much we get out of 15. See guys, they gave me 13. Now see details. Content is 5 out of 5. Pronunciation is 5 out of 5. And fluency is 3 out of 5. I don't know why they cut it number from fluency, but the fluency was overall okay. Now let's practice one more picture. Okay, now see here friends, there is a quite large heading above the image. This can give you a lot of points in your content section if you speak it properly. Now let's see guys how I speak. Let's continue. This is a beautiful pie chart in front of me. Let me have a close look of this pie chart. This pie chart provides information about after a survey of 1000 people. The following pie chart was made to see the average percentage of people who use different social media platforms to expand their business. I can see YouTube, I can see LinkedIn, I can see Twitter, I can see Instagram, I can see Facebook, I can see 5%, 32%, 32%, and 12%. I can see pink color, I can see yellow color, I can see green color. Overall, the picture is very informative. Thank you so much. The question is submitted, guys. Now let's see the scores. Go to my test question type, history. As you can see guys, now we got 14 out of 15. 5 in content, 5 in pronunciation and 4 in fluency out of 5. Guys, overall I think the image was good, and the main thing is that you speak the heading which is above the image, which give you a lot of points in your content section. I hope you understand guys. That's all for today. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.